This has been the craziest 8 hours of, I think, everyone's life because crypto is going absolutely insane right now because of an announcement. Thanks a lot, Senator Lummis. But essentially, there is a good bit of momentum happening. Trump is sticking to his word. Senator Lummis is heading this group of people that will be regulating, well, not regulating crypto, but helping to develop the framework. And they talked about not a Bitcoin strategic reserve, but a digital asset stockpile. This made a lot of people a little bit worried, especially all of the Bitcoin maxis and the permabulls, let's be honest. But the reality is that it's not a bad thing yet. They're saying, yeah, we're going to evaluate that. We haven't decided to do it yet. We need to study that. This is a very off the cuff answer. I'm not worried about this at all. Everyone's freaking out about little news like this. This is actually way more helpful. Props to you, Alex Thorne. I'll leave the links for all these, by the way, in description. So according to Arkham Intelligence, here are all the coins that the United States holds over $1 million. When we look at the numbers here, they own almost 200,000 Bitcoin. Now, the idea of this digital asset stockpile gets a little bit complicated because, again, I'm going to leave the link for all this stuff here down below. But essentially what this is that there's going to be a new working group, and the working group shall identify all regulations, guidance documents, orders, or other items that affect the digital asset sector within 30 days of this order. So in a month, there has to be clarity. Within 2 months, each agency shall submit to the chair recommendations with respect to whether each identified regulations, guidance document, other order, or other items should be rescinded or modified. Now, this is what people are getting excited about. Within 180 days of the date of this order, the working group shall submit a report to the president through the APEP, which shall recommend regulatory and legislative proposals that advance the policies established in this order. In particular, having a federal regulatory framework for digital assets. Good. Evaluating the potential creation and maintenance of a national digital asset stockpile and propose criteria for establishing such a stockpile, potentially derived from cryptocurrencies lawfully seized by the federal government. Now, this is enough to get people excited. This is pretty much the entire video. But when you look at the price action for Bitcoin, man, oh man, Senator Lummis literally did a number on the whole crypto market because the price of Bitcoin was doing absolutely horrible, just chugging and grinding lower until all of a sudden she teases out, there's an announcement coming, and in one 5-minute candle, Bitcoin pumps 1.61% because everyone's thinking, oh boy, we're finally going to get that Bitcoin strategic reserve. And then it's announced and it's leaked. Oh, no, it's not. I'm just going to be heading up the council. And then the price pumps again. People are getting excited because El Salvador is having a call with President Trump, Nayib Bukele. So think, okay, Bitcoin mining. And the price dumps again. Guys, it's been the wildest, seriously, the wildest, how many hours is this? 10 hours I've ever seen in crypto, especially for Bitcoin in the last, good grief, 5 years. But we need to look at some other charts that are really, really important. And I want to respect the 5-minute limits. We got a minute and a half to go. Now, stablecoin dominance is looking scary because there's still fear in the market, even though there's a national digital asset stockpile that's going to be created within 30 days. Don't pay attention to the fear. This is all really good stuff. Bitcoin volatility, BVOL7D, is finally peaking out here at 11.36. It has 3 TBO breakouts, just like it did here when it reversed, just like it did here when it reversed. And when this reverses, this is the green light for alts to go crazy. As we see Bitcoin start to do some amazing things, pay attention to charts that are doing really well against Bitcoin. For example, MNT, Mantle, has been doing really, really well ever since these TBO close shorts, moved up as high as 20%. Now, there's been some crazy price action on a lot of these coins, but Jupe has finally retraced all the way back to TBO support. Watch for a bounce from here, not to the same height, but to half. These last 4 altcoins are looking really, really good. WIF is still chugging, but I'm seeing signs, I'm getting a feeling in my bones that this is going to bounce. POPCAT, this one is also, it did kind of sort of okay yesterday, but watch it. Now, GOAT was really interesting because GOAT out of nowhere literally pumped like massive. And this actually triggered a lot of other alts to go crazy yesterday, including FARTCOIN. Now, this one has been a pain in my butt. get it. But this one has also been incredible for trading, having whips and pops of 18%, going back to support, 23%. It's just going over and over. If you're looking for a good chart to trade, FARTCOIN. All right, that's my time. That's the 5-minute update. Until the next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.